Hey ladies, it's Brianne. I'm going to show you how to create your own Issuu link. And let me tell you why you want to do that. So there is an Issuu link on 31 or on your actual website that people can view the catalog or the holiday gift guide or anything like that. Excuse me. But if you create your own, you actually can add your website. So that's why I want to show you how to do that. So you're going to go on to 31today.com. I'm already logged in, so it's probably not going to ask me for my login information. But you go to... So I'm actually just going to look up the holiday gift guide, for example. Okay, so I'm going to search that. Okay, so here's the holiday 2018 gift guide. You're going to pick... You want to make sure you pick the US holiday gift guide. Click on it. And then you want to download that to your computer. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do that. But once you download it, then you'll save it to wherever you'll be able to find it on your computer. Okay, then you're going to go to Issuu, and it's www.issuu.com. Okay, I'm already signed in. I already have an account. It is free. So just go ahead and create an Issuu account. Like I said, it's free. Once you create it, so of course you'll have like your login and password, then you'll come over to this little arrow right here, and you'll click upload. You'll select your file. That's why I said it's important to know where you saved your file. Let me find mine here. Okay, so here's my holiday gift guide right here. I'm going to double click that to open it. So what it's doing is it's downloading that. Actually, you can see it right here. So it's downloading the holiday gift guide. And then if you scroll down, you can give it a title. So you would do holiday gift guide. Whoops. I'm going to put 2018. And this is where, in the description, I always put my website. So this is where you'll put your www.my31.com. And then if you personalized yours, whatever your website is to shop. Down here, you'll pick promotion and marketing. I don't click anything else on here. And then I go, let's just make sure we go all the way down. So you can add your website if you've paid for it. I don't pay for it, so I just put mine in the description. And then you'll go over here and click publish. It'll take you to a different screen. I don't want to do that because I've already published the holiday gift guide, but it'll bring you to another screen, and it actually has a little bit of a delay because they have to approve your publication. But then once you do that, let's see if it's going to let me go back. Sorry, I want to show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to have your publication list right here, and you will be able to. So here's my holiday gift guide. I can just go to share. I'm going to copy. So right click, copy, and then I can go share that link with anybody. So that's an easy way. So I've been talking to people about the holiday gift guide, so I actually just send them this Issuu link. And when I actually post it on Facebook, it does show my website on there. So that's helpful. It does have your name in the link, so they kind of know who it came from. So I hope that helps. If you have questions or need help, just let me know. Bye.